earthquake using weather warfare. It sounds like something you'd read on the front cover of a tabloid magazine, right next to pictures of a still alive Elvis and an alien, right? Well, it may not be as far-fetched as you think. Venezuelan President Hugo Chavez now blaming the United States for Haiti's earthquake.
Quotes Chavez as saying that the U.S. Navy launched a weapon capable of inducing a powerful earthquake off the shore of Haiti. He adds that this time it was only a drill, and the final target is destroying and taking over Iran. The existence of a tectonic weapon has never been proved, but
theoretically, changes in the ionosphere can alter the weather. Major changes in the ionosphere can cause vibrations that resonate with fault lines and cause earthquakes. This is very theoretical.
I mean, what else do you hear? What are these other theories that are out there?
Well, there's a very famous scientist, Nikola Tesla, who claimed to have an earthquake machine back in the 1940s. People have been writing about HAARP as a potential earthquake. The Kobe earthquake was blamed on this. The Sichuan earthquake a couple of years ago was blamed on this. In 1968, the United States government did cause a small earthquake in Nevada by exploding a nuclear bomb 3,000 feet underground. The government is clearly researching earthquake weapons, or has researched earthquake weapons.
While I was still in bed, I saw the sky changing colors. It was absolutely surreal. I really thought it was the end of the world. I mean, if you saw 2012, well, almost. That's in Concepcion. It's really everything has fallen apart.